Imagine a reality where our universe is just one among countless others, a seemingly infinite collection of worlds, each with its own unique laws of physics and alternate possibilities. It sounds like the stuff of science fiction, right? But what if I told you that physicists may have uncovered the first evidence that this mind-bending concept, known as the multiverse, could be real? Let's dive into this incredible discovery. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam of branching and infinite universes. The key to proving, or at least hinting at, this theory lies in the cosmic microwave background radiation, or CMBR, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang that permeates our universe. Starting in 2004, researchers began analyzing the CMBR for anomalies that might signal something extraordinary. That's when they discovered 4 unusual patches in the sky, each potentially holding clues to alternate universes. Among these anomalies, one stood out: the enigmatic cold spot. Initially, scientists thought this region, marked by significantly lower temperatures, might be a supervoid, an area with far fewer galaxies than normal. But here's where it gets fascinating. As scientists dug deeper, they found that the supervoid explanation didn't quite add up. The cold spot's temperature and characteristics were simply too strange. Instead, researchers proposed something far more astonishing. This could be evidence of a collision between our universe and another bubble universe. Yes, you heard that right. Our universe might have brushed against another universe, leaving behind a scar in the form of the cold spot. If true, this would be groundbreaking, providing the first tangible evidence that the multiverse isn't just theoretical, but real. In 2014, the European Space Agency's Planck mission confirmed the existence of the cold spot, further fueling speculation. And in subsequent years, the Royal Astronomical Society conducted extensive surveys of over 7,000 galactic redshifts. For context, redshifts occur when distant galaxies move away from us, stretching their light into longer wavelengths. These shifts allow cosmologists to calculate distances across the universe. Here's the kicker: their analysis revealed no evidence of a supervoid that could explain the cold spot. According to their simulations, the likelihood of this anomaly occurring randomly is just 1 in 50. That's not impossible, but it's rare enough to make scientists seriously question the standard explanations. Rory McKenzie, a researcher from Durham University, noted that while current models can't explain the cold spot, the findings place strict limits on future theories. In his words, the voids we have detected cannot explain the cold spot under standard cosmology. So, what does this mean for the multiverse theory? While we're far from definitive proof, this discovery cracks open a door to new possibilities. The idea of a multiverse, a concept once confined to the pages of sci-fi novels, is now driving some of the most exciting scientific debates of our time. Could this be the first glimpse into a reality larger than we ever imagined? Stay tuned, because the answers might just redefine everything we know about existence. If you're as fascinated by the cosmos as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Let's explore the universe together.